Good day. In today's video, we will demonstrate the product notes functionality in Sage X3. I will log into Sage X3. Now, before I go into the functionality, I would like to explain to you where this may be used. So let's say you're a buyer and you're a planner or you're head of procurement management and you have buyers who are working for you, and you would like the buyers to verify certain things when a product is bought from, when a specific product is bought. So notes can appear. Now, these notes can appear in a lot of functions in Sage X3. So you can have, for the same product, you can have a note for the buyer. A specific message will come for the buyer, and you can have for the same product when you're selling, you can have a different note, completely different note. So you're not restricted to having one note per product. You can have multiple notes in the same function or in different functions, and Sage is quite flexible when it comes to this. So I'm going to click on my navigation menu. I'm going to search for my product function. So under common data, I'm going to go into products. And then for today's example, I'm going to look at vape device product. So vape device 1. And then what we'll do is we'll search for the note functionality, product notes. And we'll create a new note for buy. Let's say buy 01. The category. Now this category is what I was talking about. It determines where this note will appear. So you can have different categories and this note will appear in all of these functions, right, in Sage X3. So we have one for buyers. So we'll select the buy category, right? So let's select for this, and this specific message will appear in all the functions that the buyers use. So let's say product note for this, right? And then search your short description, product note. You can be flexible, so you can have it effective. When is it effective from? So we can say I would like it to be effective for one fiscal year. Right, I want it to auto display, and then this will be my note. So what I'll do is let's put this note, and then we will click on create. Now our note has been created. Now multiple notes can be created for the same product with different categories, right? So I'm going to click on close page now. I'm going to click on close page. I'm going to click on my navigation menu. I'm going to go to purchasing, and I'm going to go to orders, full entry order. I'm just going to copy this PO number, right? And then this is my product code, line section. Now I'm going to paste the product here. Let's say and I'm going to press the tab key. As I press the tab key, you'll see what happens. Like, please verify the batch number from the supplier and get approval. So this note appears here, and it's a quick way to remind the buyers that they have to do this before they can continue, right? Okay guys, so this is a nice function nice functionality offered by Sage X3. If this video was beneficial, please like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you and goodbye.